What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From all coins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Pepe fam, I'm back, man. I hope y'all are listening to me with Pepe, guys, because when the bull run is here and you guys see a potential 100x or you miss out on it because you didn't listen, hey, don't blame me. Don't blame me, man. I already see how powerful this meme is. The ethers love it. And they will make retail FOMO, man. When retail gets into the space, that's the first thing they'll be buying, Pepe. Right? That's the first thing they'll be buying in the bull run, man. So, don't miss out. Don't miss out on getting it right now while it's at $500 or so million in market cap. Because when it goes to 50 billion, boom, that's 100x. And who wouldn't be happy for 100x? I know I would. Okay, I know I would be happy for 100x, guys. So, yeah, man. Pepe fam, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Went off on a bit of a rant there. Blow this video up, make it go viral, share it on Twitter with the rest of the Pepe fam. Everything about Pepe and myself will be in the description. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Don't take anything I say as financial advice, okay? We're sitting at $534 million in market cap for Pepe. You guys can see it's up 6%. Started to make a move. Don't miss the chance to buy in when it's starting to make a move up, man. Pepe right now at $150 million in 24-hour trade volume. It is going bonkers. It is getting a start to go bonkers. Whenever Pepe starts to send, meme coin season is back. Because Pepe is going to pull a lot of meme coins with it. Right? And they're... people that make profit in those lower cap meme coins are gonna put it all into Pepe. Pepe is like their piggy bank meme coin. Pepe is like the Bitcoin of meme coins at this point. Right? So you gotta understand this clearly, guys. Once people start to see the pumps coming in for Pepe, a lot of FOMO is gonna happen in the Pepe once again. You remember what it did back here, man. All of this run to 1.6, 1.7 billion dollars in market cap, 1.6 billion. All of this run right here, right, was a bunch of people just literally selling all their other coins and FOMOing into Pepe. That's all that was, guys. Because a lot of, like, there's not much new money in the space, right? The total crypto market cap is still the same at 1.1 trillion. There's not much new money that came into the spaces yet, so it's just a lot of people that are changing hands. So what happened was a lot of other projects just started to dump, and then they just FOMO'd right into Pepe. Right in there. And, you know, it was just a crazy time for this previous run, and it's not that much down from its all-time highs, right? 1.7 billion, 1.6 compared to $535 million in market cap is not that much down. So there's not much underwater bag holders in Pepe, you know, it's gonna be have a ton of price discovery going into the bull market, guys. So Pepe's moving up a bit. I'm telling you, don't miss out, man. Don't miss out. That volume, can't ignore that, man. Go to the top meme coins. Let's see Pepe number 3, more volume than Shiba, and Shiba is number 2, right? Pepe, I really think Pepe is gonna surpass Sheeb unless Shibarium is something crazy. Unless Shibarium brings some hype to Sheeb, I think Pepe is gonna surpass Sheeb, and maybe even Doge, man. Because a lot of people are underwater in Doge, and Doge needs Elon tweets to make it pump. Pepe don't need nothing to make it pump, bro. Doge gotta get Elon tweets to pump, man. That's it, man. Pepe don't need none of that. And that's why I say Pepe could be, not even could be, more than likely, high probability, 70 to 80% sure Pepe is going to be the biggest meme this bull cycle, in my opinion. I wish it could go back down to that $100 million market cap entry, but it is what it is. I'll take it, man. Gains are gains, man. The crypto market is not going anywhere. Gains are gains. I'll take it, okay? But yeah, pretty nice stuff today from Pepe. Pretty nice stuff going into the weekend. We'll see what happens there. Pepe, hot Pepe summer. Bunch of views on that tweet. 30k views. Rise and shine. Good morning, Pepe. 100k views on that tweet. Art by Albert Wizard, man. Nothing but positivity for you guys out there, man. Nothing but peace, love, and positivity as we make these gains. Maria Gurley, or Mariah, good morning to everyone that says it back. Pepe is up 11%. Man, you can't ignore this project. I'm telling you. Plasma, 413 new Pepe holders today. Markets are turning green after the Fed hikes rate to highest level in 22 years. At this point, just go long seconds before Powell starts speaking. Okay, that's why we're getting. But Bitcoin is down. Another crypto millionaire killed. Stay safe. Don't share that you hold crypto with everyone. Dang. Rest in peace to whoever was killed. I didn't see that news, man. That's crazy. Whoa. Rest in peace. But yeah, the Fed raised rate hikes once again. So this is the highest they've raised it in 22 years, right? So we probably will get disinflation, guys, because they're already at 3% inflation, CPI data. They raised again. All they had to do was literally wait. They didn't have to raise again. So that instead of going down to 2%, we might get to like less than 2%, because they're taking so long to follow the data. And then we're gonna get disinflation, and then they're gonna have to do quantitative easing, which is print more money, and then everything is gonna pump hard once again, especially with BlackRock and all of these other institutions getting into the space. This, I'm telling you guys, this potentially is gonna be the biggest bull run ever, and more than likely it's gonna be the last bull run. So if you have your bags packed, you're a genius, you're a superstar. If you don't have your bags packed, you better start. Now is the time more than ever to start packing your bags in crypto, right? I'll never say Pepe is not a good place to put, you know, to invest, because it's a $500 million market cap asset. Pepe right now as a meme coin is safer than $1 million layer 1 blockchain. Right? Think about that. Pepe right now at $500 million in market cap is safer than a $1 million market cap altcoin. Okay? So I'm not gonna be like, don't invest in Pepe, lose out, because guess what? You're gonna try to get low cap altcoins. You're gonna try to get low cap altcoins that more than likely may wreck you, whereas there's something right here staring you in the face that could still give you 100x. And you're not gonna take that opportunity, man. So this is why I gotta share it on the channel, man. Brakiza, if you have been here long enough, you already know. You know how crazy this can get. Watch Pepe parabolic move. Can't tell you when it will happen, but it will happen. It will melt faces. Hashtag Pepe Army. I'm telling you guys, like, never have I been more sure about a meme coin. The writing is on the wall that you gotta have some exposure to Pepe. The writing is on the wall, man. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care what none of you say in the comment section. You gotta have some exposure to Pepe, okay? Listed on Binance, KuCoin, and Kraken. This $500 million meme coin is safer than a lot of low cap altcoins. Okay, so I'm just letting you guys know, man. That's my opinion. Obviously, it's not financial advice, but when it pulls 100x, don't say I didn't tell y'all. Look on chain. A smart money deposited 500 ETH, 937k to Binance, and withdrew 941k of Pepe. The buying price is 1385. He spent 100 ETH to buy 134 billion on May 1st and withdrew 130k. So you see that from Binance. Oh man, so he sold the top, he bought the bottom and sold the top. This is how the whales make money, man. The whales are so smart. You buy the rumor, sell the news, man. Look at that. Nice buy and sell right there. And then he just bought back in. He just bought back in here. See that? He thought, he probably was like, maybe it'll go lower right here, maybe it'll come down lower, then I buy. But no, now he realizes, whoa, we might have a breakout here, so let me buy here. See what the whales are doing, man? I gotta follow in notification for Look On Chain. I gotta turn on my notifications for this and follow the whale buys, man. That's the smartest thing to do. Follow what the whales are doing, guys. Crazy stuff. So you see all the transactions taking place, and he withdrew them to his wallet. Obviously, he bought on the deck so he could avoid gas fees and make big buys. You know, big buys and sells, and withdrew them to his wallet. So he, you know, and just in case any of the dexes go down, right? That's the smartest thing to do. Save your crypto in your wallet. Buy on the centralized exchanges, sure, but store them on your wallets, hardware wallets or hot wallets, cold wallets, right? But yeah, man, that's crazy to think about. So 941k bought Pepe. 941k buys coming in, right? Paulie made a 1 million buy, and now another 941k buy, and Pepe is looking bullish, up 5%. It's about to get crazy, guys. I'm telling you, bull market is gonna be so crazy, and people are gonna get how should I say, people are gonna get taken by surprise because they didn't prepare themselves enough, right? So don't be one of those people, guys. If you hold Pepe, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Pepe and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, make it go viral. Check out the Patreon in the description, first link in the description. You get access to all my private calls on the Patreon, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.